How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be covering our new 1983 to 1986 shock access covers from 5.0 Resto. These shock access covers, if missing or damaged, can be an eyesore in the rear hatch area of your Mustang. 5.0 Resto has fixed a known problem yet again with these new access covers. These covers will offer a correct fit and finish just like the factory options. Let's head over to our 1986 SVO we have here in the shop today, and we'll show you how these go on. First, start by opening your hatch. As you can see here, one of our covers was already missing from this car. Removal will be as simple as taking one of the Phillips head screws out, and then you can pull the cover out of place. You can use a small trim removal tool to pull the tabs from the hatch area panel. Since these will be molded in a neutral gray finish, we'll be painting these to match our SVO. Using some gray scuff pads and a bucket of soapy water, thoroughly clean all of the surfaces and make sure you allow dry time. Next, take a clean rag or a paper towel and clean all the surfaces with denatured alcohol or any standard oil and grease remover. Start off with a light coat first and make sure you keep your nozzle about 6 to 10 inches away. Repeat with a few medium to heavier passes and allow 15 to 20 minutes of dry time between each coat. Going back in with these will be as easy as the removal. Slide each of the covers into place, aligning all the tabs, and then tighten down the Phillips head screw. Check over your work, and you are all done. All right, everybody, this one is a very simple job to do. This one should take you roughly about an hour to an hour and a half with dry time on the paint. It's some of these little touches on the interior restorations that can drastically change the overall appearance of your ride. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and make sure that you have turned on notifications. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.